run that dog closer. See what the dream.
All chips right now.
One, two, boom, boom, boom.
Put them up, put them up. One on.
Are you ready? Okay, one. Well, let's read the family. Oh, baby, should I stand and listen to me? Women got looking at me now, it's like me get tired. How much you bring it for you? What bring it for you right? I show you what I'm in. This time you have to get another try. Because of that, she's over. Now she saved my life, this is how I'm giving it to me. She put it on me. And this is how I wanna be. And this is how I want. Nothing's gonna go. When you tell me tight, you don't let go. But if you let me go, this is all the best and break, you know. The best man can know. She let me say, she let me go. And after the best is, she always give it to go. This is how she does. Now to see my life, this is how I'm giving it. She put on me. Oh me, oh my, what a girl sexy, what a damn fly, I'm coming for the first time, smoking like a boy, it's like a hit. What she do? How much you put it for? I put it for it. Oh my shop, they all have it. This time we have to get another charge, because tonight she put it on me. Now just see my life, this is how I'm dreaming. She put it. But this is how I want it. But this is...
All chips and ladies, let me see that tree. Put them up, put them up, put them up. Chips and ladies, sweet. Hey go.
Wherever the night goes, I'll be dancing. I'm willing to.
Ladies.
I just want you to know I'm ready to go wherever. I'm willing to. Oh, it's just like magic. You know we want fantastic things together. Check the whole world, it's a when I'm all in you and you. Yeah, but there is good thing you find. You know we will see rather. You want me body. You want me body. I'm sensible of your body. Wind up your body. I'm sensible of your body. Wind up your body. Yeah, I'm sensible of your body. Baby. Hey yo,
Ladies, see you there.
yo,
See you there.
it's a good vibes.
Yes, it is.
All my beautiful ladies, good morning. I say good morning. Ooh, yeah.
Sing to the last chip shop.
Where's the wine all over? Down and go over. I bring the style. I'm missing girl from more back in. Egyptian them be crawling in a big room. We got no feedback. Get relaxed. Ooh, girl from all every room. Them sing up
Sing to the youth, the ladies.
They love it when I go, upset when I go. Love it when they're calling on the hands of the phone. Talk about the things that they don't go. They say they wanna leave you, but they wanna hear. Show! And they love because of you. And they love because of you. And they know for what I do. But I make them feel beautiful.
Sing to the beautiful
Oh yeah,
ladies.
oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Jump on my love, I keep on.
I'm begging.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, ladies.
yeah.
Gypsum,
That's it.
can we take them down to Jamaica real quick?
From there,
Till now.
until now. Yeah. All the Egyptians from there. Well, yeah.
Sexy ladies, let me see 2 on 2. Put them on.
Say they want you, I want you.
I want she said.
Say they want you, I want you. Take it some time.
Whoa.
You want to do it.
Ladies.
It's that shit.
Everyone, get your up here.
We're gonna enjoy ourselves this morning. They got me jumping in the spring, like a spring chicken. All the beautiful ladies. And I go read my boyfriends by the place, and all the things said. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sing it down. Sing it this up. Even on the back. What she said?
She said she but don't come tell me, but she said she bring out the vessel. And she not make no, but she said she but don't come tell me, but she said she bring out the vessel. And she not make no, but tell me, oh she don't move like that. Oh she do that. Why not let you move like a gymnastic? And it's up. Find a girl, your body's incredible. Sleep on my bone like a turkey. She talks about the trouble.
All the ladies here.
But not myself for me, but she said she will not win. But now she know that door, but she said she not win. But not myself for me, but she said she will not you get us all like that. Oh, me not ever never stop me. But she knows she is right here. All about the shit, all of the rest of the world. I don't care, no, don't run me like you. And now, yeah, but no matter. She went down to Jesso, and she know, and she said she got it. But no matter for me, girl, she said,
Slow down, Freddy. Slow it down. Ladies. On them.
And don't you
Yeah.
together.
Houston ladies.
Because the Houston girls are with me. On go, let's check. Oh no, my don't want people, she said she went out there. Oh no, she never know, but she said she. Oh no, she went out.
Houston ladies.
We got a surprise. We got a surprise for you.
What Gypsum?
We got a new artist.
Gypsum.
Some of you familiar with him.
Yeah.
But hey, promotional tour. Bad people. Bad people.
See it there.
Bad people like this. So then, brother, in here, I bring to you Houston.
Yes.
Moisture down. Moisture.
Houston, we got a special surprise for you. All the way from Kingston, Jamaica.
And the bonita señorita, this is for you. Oh, Mr. Lamadi, there, leader. Give me a little time, a little feature. Whoa, and now the moonlight says me. Anywhere we both be out for free. Señorita, the body Egyptian music. Right direction, big up Egyptian.
Might we get one more for the girls then, Mike.
For the ladies, y'all ready to get turned? DJ, turn up the sound. We're not gonna fight you tonight. Use them shakes now. Order for the woman then. Hey, skin out the pussy criminal. Who wants up everything in your Papa feeling I got it for your wild lord. They know the damn thing in your in a guitar. You be up, see for something on your shot. So I know she want one. But they keep on the down. Your boom boom jump. When they say don't give me no back. Everything I take off. Everything I take off. She just shake it panty and me when you grab out. I said I jump off. You better lock off. Young standing on your pussy. Brazilian papa. Look that she like it. When time slide inside it. Me like it. She ride me like it. I go. She like it. When me slide inside it. She like it. Ladies, how you do?
I want y'all to follow my show on Instagram,
Right,
follow
yeah.
my show on Facebook,
Yeah.
check out the YouTube, check out the Vivo and all of that. One more my show.
Well, alright. An Egyptian fans in the house. Any Bounty Killer fans in the house. I'm a Caribbean, Jamaican. Watch your eyes. Watch your work on your mouth, dog. Cause you will get stitches. All that bad people, and give me some signal. Alright, go. Watch it. Hey. Riches. Young and great and ugliness. Hey. When you see me on road, yeah, we not killing. Oh, I'm about this and annoyance. Alright, go. Hey.
Oh, we are Snapchat master, and the killers want to be Snapchat.
Why everybody there and it's over the hands for them, y'all run away. Right up.
Maestro, don't get it no more. If you want to find out about Maestro now, he's the future. The new sensation coming out of Portland, Jamaica. Make sure you check it out. Egyptian. I heard Houston don't know old Egyptian from back in the days. They only know the new Egyptian. This is some new fans there. Big up all the original Egyptian fans.
Catching a bit of body, everybody on it. What a piece of shit, the poor people, they want to be able to go. All the original Egyptian fans of them, we all live circles and we work for everybody's there. We're at the time, for life, it's their time. We're at the time, true love, that is the one, it's their.
Stop it!
I love you so.
Right here.
You never see
Really reggae music.
what you mean to me, but you never know. I love you so, but you never see what you mean.
From them time then till now.
Hold on to this song.
Ladies! Watch out!
I love you because you make you love it to me. Touch me, you feel good. You have some of the song there. From them time until now. We just love the family. Because it's for the mamas, and then make it possible. If I leave a mama, no fans. No gym shop in there. So we have to always respect for the mamas there. Naturally.
Sing to them, Jim Shop. If you love your mama, hand it ready for mama. Hands up for mama.
So mama, don't cry no more. Oh, baby, it's a better show. What those feelings you love, love me on the door. So mama, don't cry no more. Oh, baby, it's a better show. What those feelings you love, let's go. Oh, mama, so many times you don't feel days without a future. Mama, so many nights we sleeping around like a block of sheep. Mama, I know what it feels like to have your own sheets on my feet. So mama, don't cry, 'cause I know I'm gonna make you into dancing. So mama, don't cry, no more. Oh, it's a piece of that for sure. Why don't see? Now we
Sing to the mothers.
say, mama, don't cry no more. Oh, it's a piece of that for sure. Why don't see? Time again, so. Shut up. Yeah.
Sing to the Honduran ladies, Jim Shop.
DJ try show me tonight. They're gonna play the hardest song tonight for me. Ready? Even if it doesn't find baby, don't feel well, loneliness is like the one. I can't embrace that. Although my loneliness still with you.
Sing to them, Jim Shop.
Let me talk to you, let me talk to you, let me do to you, let me show you the way that you treat me like that. That's the way it should be treated. Let me love you, no more time to fight. I'm gonna do you right, just the way you like. And you like my lady. You understand the
Ladies. All my beautiful ladies, scream! Ready for them now?
I just want to.
Jim Shop and all with them.
I got.
Sing. What she said? Right here, son.
I'm telling some DJ, but shut up. Come on, you know you can't do it. But I'm shut up. You can't do it. I'm going to tell you, like, what? The little song, you know. Okay.
Ladies. You and your friends have a party. You start. What she said? What's love? She said, sing, sing. Ladies, sing it out.
Give me the time to sway and forget you. I'm say, can we want to just squeeze? Don't put me to try to can you give me the time to see that? Oh, you want? Yeah. That's how we want every detail. We want together for one, but one. We want together for show me that you can grind. Got me what you want. But put me on try to share it with me. Honestly, got me fun to just please. Don't put me in sorry.
Everybody put them up, jump. Let's go.
One love.
Right up past my body road. Step on the back and share. Give me my one and the fun, come.
Rest I don't hear it. Hey!
We out of control.
I'm looking at you wanting to sword. Take it up.
Egyptian, turned off the war, eviction. This one nigga tell them I'm gonna dish. See them girl got contradiction.
You see it. No one ever beat. Body's fucking.
Shit nice, figure it. Give me the whole place, don't hate. Stand on them, Jamaican tip. Go up to the soundproof and be taking pics of the new bins, the color of bacon pit. Every state, Dalmatian bitch. Let's go on that old money, real good money. Into a feature that wasn't no real good, honey. Kingston, Rio, Waterhouse.
Dash. Alright again. Like that fast fight on the road. Jump on the back and cheer. Give me the mother one now before. I'm gonna wrap up in the prayer. Put me on that actual. I won't put that she won't be there. What she do? She said. Squeeze you around you. Give me brother pussy piece and feel inside the life. Yeah, hold on, brother, hold on. Squeeze you. Yeah. Hold on, son. You can't say squeeze you and bring out my shoulder then. Can't do that. You know it go. Under.
Like a fast fight on the road. Get on the back and share. Give me back a one and the fun, come.
Rasta don't play with the talk now. We out of control. I'm gonna put you on the dance floor. So we love you now. We are telling you. They say every time you come to Houston, me always have vibes.
Real vibes.
Yeah. Wow. Like this one here, Valentina. Make sure you drink responsibly. And if you have a little bit too much to drink, make sure you have someone to try your work. Because we're going to reach here next time. All of you motherfuckers are here.